When you are on vacation with a Combi-Camp, it's really great that you can drive anywhere, more or less. We have now taken this Combi-Camp and the car down to the beach here in Vejrstrand, because that's allowed here. It's really great to see this big, wide beach in this beautiful weather. So we thought we would come down here and have a cup of coffee before we move on. And it's so great, because I can use my kitchen on the road. That's really a good thing with a Combi-Camp. I have my stove here and my kettle, and now just time to make a cup of coffee. It's really great that the water is working while I'm on the road, so I can make a cup of coffee here, and the stove here is working as well, so it's just like being in the campsite. A really good thing about the Combi-Camp is that everything in the kitchen is accessible when you're on the road. Now I'm standing here on the beach making a couple of cups of coffee, and there's no problem. The cups are right there. My spoon is here. I have my fridge here for where I have the milk, and it's easy accessible. And here as well, the coffee. And now I'm just waiting for the water to boil so I can have some coffee. When you drive down to these beaches where cars are allowed, you should not worry about the sand, because there are dedicated roads here. And as long as you stay in the dedicated areas, there's no problem. Even the Tesla, which is kind of a low car, a sports car type, there's no problem at all.